The Golden Boy of Pop is back. Bit is return as Sparket at digital waar. That is leaving millions of fans in tears. Harry Styles has officially announced his heavily anticipated 2026 World Tour. Ante Charles that followed the announcement has been nothing short of a global frenzy. From London to Los Angeles. The internet nearly collapsed as fans scrambled to secure a spot for what is being called the most exclusive concert experience of the decade. But as the dust settles, a dark side to this komebak is emerging, involving skyrocketing prices and a system that many claim is rigged against the afvraag van. The demand for these tickets has saturated every previous record set during the Love on Tour era. Within minutes of the presale going live, digital views reached over 5 million people for a single venue. This massive surge caused several major ticketing platforms to crash, leaving fans staring at frozen screens and error messages. Even more shocking are the reports of the new dynamic pricing model, which saw fluctuations from $500 to several thousands in real time. Some fans are calling it a betrayal of the inclusive community Harry has built. While others are blaming the industry giants for prioritizing profit over the message. Adding fuel to the fire are the rumors that this might be Harry's final tour for a very long time. Insiders suggest that after this run, he plans to pivot fully into his acting career and focus on his buitenbrand pleasing. This sense of urgency has pushed fans to desperate measures, with the somme reportedly talking out small loans to afford a nugget in the same room as they riddle. Before we reveal the secret trick, some fans are easing to bypass the gees and te trete about hoe se rumored surprise geests. Do I think it is fair for ticket prices to change based on demand, or shall there be a flat rate to keep concerts accessible for everyone? Drop a comment rigid of aantal met the most ou wild ever pay to see your favorite artist live. As the frenzy continues. Harry himself has remained relatively quiet on social media. Touwgesous is closer to the star he is overwhelmed by the love from his fans. However, the controversy over ticketbots and professional resellers remains a massive yardage for his team. Thousands of tickets operate on secondary markets within seconds of the sell-out. Often listed at 10 times their original value. So do I think Harry Styles held step in and cancel the tickets sold to scalpers. Or is this just the reality of being a global superstar in 2026? Let me know in the comments if you managed to grab a ticket. Or if you weer left heartbroken by te gee.